We're at Homerton Hospital today, where they've been piloting Accurx Scribe in a number of services since November.
We've run the ambient voice technology across 4, now 5 clinical areas, with 2 more starting.
We have healthcare assistants, nurses, health advisors, doctors, psychologists that are all using it, and also people for our social care team who are not clinical but are finding it very useful.
One of the biggest drivers for ABT is the positive impact that it can have on reducing staff admin time, which I know is a cognitive burden that they currently have.
Pre-Accurx Scribe, you'd be definitely pushed in terms of the amount of admin that you're trying to get through. I think now with Accurx Scribe, I'm certainly finding that the burden is significantly less.
If you're reducing that admin time, then hopefully that means that staff are actually able to go home on time, which is, from a staff satisfaction perspective, a huge benefit.
Previously, you would be constantly trying to type. I'm finding now that with Accurx Scribe, I can be present, listen, I can pick up nuance in terms of body language or how a patient is talking to me or is not talking to me. And I found that that's certainly helped in terms of how we would then navigate the rest of the consultation.
So we've had feedback from patients and all of them have been in agreement that they haven't found that it's interfered with the interaction. In fact, they think it's made the interaction with the clinician better.
Accurx Scribe has allowed me to develop the way that I'm explaining things to patients in a lay term, and you feel like you're setting the patient up for the next few weeks or months far, far better than you would previously.
People with dyslexia and ADHD have come to talk to me personally and to say, actually, this has been really helpful because they often find that writing the notes up at the end is quite overwhelming.
With everything you get resistance, that's very normal. But actually the level of resistance with ABT has been less than I'd expected in comparison to some of the other projects. And I think the simple answer to that is that it is very helpful for staff.
We have a really significant ambition as an organisation that we will provide care in an ever more integrated way. And the only way that we're going to be able to do that is by innovating the way that we work together with partners. We have moved through the clinical governance process in a really detailed way, and I think we're really proud of how we've done that as an organisation, but we're also clear that we were only able to do it so effectively because of the support that Accurx provided.
A lot of healthcare technology over the last decade has given clinicians more to do. And one of the reasons I'm personally so excited about Scribe is because it's taking things away from them. It's freeing up their time. That means they can be more present with the patients, but also that means that they can get home on time, see their families, put their kids to bed. And so personally, that's a huge, huge motivation behind Scribe and behind getting it in the hands of more and more staff.